No, I didn't work on Labyrinth in the Dark Crystal. That was Brian worked on that. We actually started work on the Dark Crystal at the time that we were doing our book Fairies together. And Jim Henson came down to visit us because we were living in the same house at that time. So.
Are you working on another book?
So?
Are you working on a new book?
A new book? Well, the book I'm working on at the moment is it's a retelling of Ovid's Metamorphoses. So it's stories of transformation from Greek mythology. That's the one I'm doing at the moment. I just finished another Tolkien book. It's called The Children of Húrin, and that comes out in a couple of weeks. And but I have done some other film work as well. I've worked a little bit on a film called Legend, and Eric the Viking, which was a funny sort of fantasy adventure. And edited on King Kong. And there was a TV miniseries called Merlin for the Liz Merlin. So, quite a bit of fantasy, but not the Dark Crystal.
De terminer un nouveau Tolkien, entre guillemets, qui s'appelle Les Enfants de Húrin, ou Children of Húrin. Et il est en train de travailler en ce moment sur une métamorphose d'Ovid. Donc, plus axé mythologie.
J'aimerais vous demander, il avait été question à un moment donné que Peter Jackson porte à l'écran un jour Bilbo le Hobbit. J'aimerais savoir si vous seriez éventuellement, vous et John Ho, amenés à bientôt collaborer avec lui.
Well, that's the question about the Hobbit is one that's been raised recently, but the latest news is that it looks like Peter Jackson won't be directing because he has fallen out with New Line over money, of course, and so New Line are looking for another director to make the Hobbit. And it's very sad, but I think they have a short period of time in which they can make the film before the rights go back to the original right holder. So they might try to have the Hobbit made by a different director.
Donc la question de l'adaptation de Bilbo le Hobbit a été récemment évoquée justement. Malheureusement, d'après les dernières nouvelles, Peter Jackson ne va pas adapter le Bilbo le Hobbit au cinéma, parce qu'en fait, il ne travaille plus avec New Line, notamment quelques discussions par rapport à l'argent. Donc apparemment, New Line serait en recherche d'un autre réalisateur pour faire Bilbo le Hobbit, pour l'adapter au cinéma.
Voilà, je vous rappelle que dans quelques instants, on va débuter le... pour les enfants qui sont les enfants à la salle qui veulent aller sur la piste.
Donc, New Line cherche donc quelqu'un d'autre très rapidement, parce que bientôt ils n'auront plus les droits et les droits seront de nouveau retourneront vers la suite Tolkien.
So I think the interesting question is whether, if it does get made, whether they'll try to make it fit in with the Lord of the Rings films that have been made and try to make it part of the series, or whether the new director will want to put his own stamp onto it and treat it as a totally separate project. But it's all very much up in the air at the moment, so I don't really know what's going on. I haven't had any conversations with anyone about it at all. I get my information from the internet.
Avec personne récemment de ce projet, la question